Hi and welcome. It's time to travel. This time we were going to become a princess, that is a castle. ये हम निकले हमारी स्कूल से, फिर स्कूल को बाय बाय बोला. We saw so many different views that Nairobi, Kenya has. Yes, I'm a teacher back here in Kenya, and the greenery is mesmerizing. So before we reach, and while you enjoy the scenarios or the sceneries, let me tell you where exactly we are going. So we are going to Tafaria Castle. Tafaria Castle was something which was founded by George Tafaria Waititu and his wife Eunice. हमारे नसीब अच्छे थे कि हम वाइफ को भी मिले और मिस्टर जॉर्ज को भी मिले. But to really keep someone's privacy, Miss Eunice requested that kindly do not post me on the vlog, so I did not do that. आगे चलते हैं. George grew up on that land that is Dayton Downs Ranch. After his family settled there in 1979, when the ranch was subdivided, his vision was rooted in transforming his remote, underserved home into something meaningful, not just a hotel, but a cultural and social anchor for the community. तो ये हम रास्ते पार करते हुए गाना गाते हुए you see my kids singing baby shark this that. Yes, it was a school trip. We had students with us and ये finally हम पहुंचे. It's really like a castle. मतलब इतना time अंदर जाने भी लगा if you see. तो इसका आर्किटेक्चर एंड स्टाइल का थोड़ा डिटेल्स लेते हैं जब तक हम अंदर पहुंच रहे हैं. So Tafaria Castle is styled after medieval European castles with towers, carnellations, battlement-style roofline, a moat, and a dungeon. Dungeon is amazing. I'll tell you the history uska bhi kya hai. The castle is perched on a hill, offering panoramic views, the Aberdare Range to the west, Laikipia Plains, and on clear days, Mount Kenya to the east. There is Roman style amphitheater on the grounds, and the dungeon has been reimagined as a conference hall, the entertainment area. मैं आपको वहां भी ले चलूंगी. अगर आप देखोगे इनका एम्फी थिएटर में उनकी मम्मी और उनकी वाइफ का बहुत अच्छा नॉट पोर्ट्रेट बट स्कल्पचर काइंड बनाया है वाया मेटल. जो मेटल होता है उस पे कार्व किया हुआ है. इतना ब्यूटीफुल बनाया है. और ये जो म्यूजियम की बात चल रही है, he is done it so beautifully. When we enter the museum, I will explain you and tell you the whole details. अब चलते हैं. जैसे ही we reached, you see our excitement was to the next level. क्या बनाया है मतलब सोच के literally like a castle. हम यहाँ पर 2 दिन रहे. I'll give you the next parts of the other day. This was just day one. We traveled from school. We reached here. We were given the rooms. I'll tell you about the rooms as well. कैसा होता है. So basically, in rooms, they are thematically named after medieval archetypes: damsels, knights, Vikings, and lost knights. There is also Lord's room. I'll take you to Lord's room. We were fortunate that Miss Eunice हमको वहां लेके गए थे. और ये जो आप रेड फ्लैग देख रहे हो, just keep in mind, I'll tell you then what is the story of that red flag and why it turned white. That is for Lord's room. The naming ties back to medieval fantasy narrative George Bild. That is, Vikings try to snatch damsels, knights protect the castle. So beautiful thought, isn't it? कोई सोच भी नहीं सकता कि इतना इंट्रीगिंग थॉट होगा. अब यहाँ हम पहुंच गए. ये था उनका रिसेप्शन. जस्ट उनके रिसेप्शन पे भी जो बग्गी होती है ना, चैरियट, उसकी सीट लगाई है उन्होंने. अगर आप देखोगे, ये देखिए. That's why I tried to take every minute detail. उनका रिसेप्शन भी अगर आप देखो, there are a lot of antique things. और जैसे होता है ना that you're trying to protect a castle, similar way. This was their huge dining area. मतलब जो हमने यहाँ पर खाना enjoy किया है, it's a must. This was a view which I just took in the evening standing outside. कि castle क्या बनाया है. Finally, it was time to come to the room. So we were in damsels, by the way. We were given the rooms in damsel, and if I'm not wrong, I think it was in the Vikings as well. Boys were in the Vikings and girls were in the damsels. वो उनका शैंडिलियर था. इट वाज वेरी नाइसली कार्व्ड एंड यू सी जो बनाया भी है फीलिंग बहुत अच्छी दी है. इट्स प्रीटी नाइस एंड कोजी वार्म इनफ. तो ये उनका बाथरूम, एवरी टॉयलेटरीज एंड रोब्स एंड एवरीथिंग वाज गिवन. So you see this door, इसके बाजू में our students were there. So this is all connected. Some tea, coffee, you can help yourself. ये दिख तो रहा है फायरवुड्स होंगे बट होते नहीं है. इट्स जस्ट फॉर फीलिंग. और अच्छी फीलिंग है वो. इट लुक्स वेरी नाइस, फील्स वेरी नाइस. ये फिर कैसल का जो बैक एरिया था, दिस इज दैट. We went for tea. That was a high tea scenario that we had. Sorry, time we had. तो ये हम हाई टी कर रहे हैं, थोड़ा बहुत रिसाइकलिंग अपसाइकलिंग ही डज. ही गॉट लॉट ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट्स बाय द वे, आई विल नॉट डिनाई दैट. तो आर्किटेक्चरिंग एंड स्टाइल जो हम देख रहे हैं, इन कंसिडरेशन टू दैट, it is styled after medieval European castles with towers, like I told you, carnellations, and the dungeon as well. तो ये सब देखने के बाद अगर आप उनका कंस्ट्रक्शन, here is the museum, I'll take you later. Construction began after George acquired the land in 2007. The main castle and country lodge officially opened in 2012. I'll keep you posted in the next vlog more details about the castle. ये हम ऑडिटोरियम में आ गए and we were settling the kids. So दो group थे. One group was in the museum and the second group that I was with, we were in the amphitheater. That is this theater. They were giving history. Stay tuned, like, share and subscribe.